Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by flipping the watch face down on a soft cloth. This protects the crystal. Locate the spring bar shoulder between the lug and strap. You'll use a small pin or unfolded paperclip. Press the pin toward the center of the strap to compress the bar and angle it slightly so the bar retracts into the strap hole. Once the bar moves inward, slide the strap gently out of the lug. Make sure to keep the compressed bar aligned so it doesn't spring free. Now, compress the bar on the opposite lug using the same pin technique. Exert steady inward pressure and lift the strap end outwards as the bar clears the lug. You'll feel a small click when the bar disengages. Repeat the process on the second strap half. Once both halves are free, remove the spring bars from the old strap and inspect them for damage or wear, because a bent bar can make the new strap unsafe. Place both bars in a small dish so they don't roll away. Insert the spring bar into the new strap's end tube. Make sure it sits centered. Position one end into the lug hole, then compress the opposite shoulder with your pin while angling the strap into place. Once aligned, release the bar slowly so both shoulders snap into their holes. Repeat for the other side. Finally, test the fit by pulling the strap gently and rotating the watch. Make sure both bars are fully seated. If a bar slips, reseat it and repeat. Inspect for dirt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.